Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you the difference between eager loading and lazy loading. Eager loading will retrieve us everything at once, while lazy loading will retrieve on our request, that is load the main entity, then load dependent entities only on demand. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Hibernate? Well, I have a good news for all. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Step 1. Eager versus lazy loading. Copy one-to-many by and create new package for eager lazy demo. Rename one-to-many print demo as eager lazy print demo, and create and delete files from demo. In course class, under one-to-many mapping, add fetch type as eager. In print demo class, add demo prefix in sysouts and run it. As you can see, it has fetched everything at once and printed both course and section. Now, change fetch type to lazy and run it again. Here, you can see Hibernate is fetching course and section separately on demand. Now, let's commit the transaction and then print course section. Also close the session after commit, and run the class again. It gives us error, failed to lazily initialize course sections. Let's see some ways to fix it. Option 1, session.get. Fetch the details using get method. If we add print statement before commit as well, it will not throw any error, as already fetched it. Option 2, query, fetch join. Copy and create new fetch join demo class in demo package. Remove the existing code to fetch data, and create a query using session for course class. The query passed will contain join fetch followed by sections. Set parameter for query, execute query, and get course. It will load the course and sections all at once, when session was open. Now, run the class and check logs. As you can see, now course section is printed without any issue. So, we have seen the difference between eager loading and lazy loading. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.